nobody could predict this. BlackRock, such a big name in the crypto space. Their efforts coupled with a Bitcoin ETF approval helped us to drive a nice bull wave. Shiba Inu even tripled in price back in March. But things don't look so good at the moment. Did BlackRock just change their side? Today marks a historic day and will be remembered for a long time. BlackRock shocked the entire crypto community. Shiba Inu is on the edge, Coinbase trying to fix the situation, and it even got Satoshi Kusama to speak out. This is something truly phenomenal happening in the crypto space today. But what is actually going on? What am I even trying to say? Well, let me explain. Disclaimer. Today we're starting with some shocking news that's been spreading all over the internet, something no one saw coming. Just yesterday, the BlackRock Spot Bitcoin ETF reported selling $13.5 million worth of Bitcoin. This marks only the second time ever that they've experienced negative flows, and it's catching everyone off guard. At first glance, this is pretty disturbing. When such a significant player like BlackRock starts selling off, it can create a ripple effect throughout the market. Investors see this and start to worry. Does BlackRock know something the rest of us don't? Could this be a sign of trouble ahead? The uncertainty is enough to make people nervous, especially in a market that's already as volatile as crypto. So it's understandable why this news is causing such a stir. To add some context to this, we've also been seeing outflows from the Ethereum ETF for 9 days straight, and that's had a massive impact on the market. If you've been watching the charts, you've probably noticed just how unpredictable the moves have been. Not just for Ethereum, but for almost every other token out there. Shiba Inu, in particular, has had some wild price swings. As we all know, Shiba Inu is especially sensitive to ETF news, and these past days have been no different. The price movements have been all over the place, which caught a lot of people by surprise. On the bright side, though, most people are pretty used to Shiba Inu being unpredictable. It's part of its nature and part of what makes it so exciting for some traders. But even by those standards, the recent swings have been more unexpected than usual. What's interesting, though, is that while the Ethereum ETFs were struggling with 9 days of continuous outflows, the Bitcoin ETF was holding pretty stable. This stability from Bitcoin's side, mostly BlackRock, has been a saving grace and helped prevent the market from crashing even more. Sure, 9 days of Ethereum ETF outflows is undeniably disturbing news and has rattled a lot of investors. But the fact that the Bitcoin ETF held its ground has been a crucial buffer. Since Bitcoin is still the #1 crypto asset, its performance has the most impact and dominance over the entire altcoin market. So, its stability helped cushion the blow for the rest of the market, keeping things from spiraling out of control. But now, things have taken a turn. It was revealed that the Bitcoin ETF has joined in on the craziness, with BlackRock selling off $13.5 million just yesterday. This marks only the second time in history that the Bitcoin ETF has seen a negative flow. Given the current situation, this is pretty bad. With Ethereum already struggling with continuous outflows, the fact that Bitcoin is now showing signs of weakness is a big deal. It raises concerns that the market could face even more uncertainty and volatility. When the most stable and dominant asset in the crypto world starts to falter, it's a signal that things could get even rockier ahead. Despite all this, some people are still remaining bullish. One person tweeted an interesting take. What they're saying is that even with BlackRock's negative flows, it doesn't necessarily mean the market is doomed. It could just be a small bump in the road, or maybe it's the quiet before a major shift. They're hinting that while things look uncertain now, it could also be an opportunity for a big move to happen next. And this Twitter user might be not far from the truth. When we look at BlackRock and shift our focus back to Ethereum, we find something really interesting. For the first time in 2 weeks, Ether ETF flows have turned positive, thanks to BlackRock. This is a surprising plot twist given the current situation. Just when everyone was worried about all the outflows and the potential for a market downturn, Ethereum ETF suddenly sees a positive shift. It's unexpected, especially with all the negative news surrounding both Bitcoin and Ethereum recently. Yet, a lot of people still believe that today's negative flow for Bitcoin is, as they put it, not a good sign. And they could be right. The issue isn't just the negative flow itself, but the fact that this is only the second time in history it's happened, and it's coming straight from BlackRock. Considering how quickly this news is spreading, it could lead to a tough situation. As more people hear about it, panic could start to set in, and we might see even more volatility in the market. When such a big player like BlackRock makes a move like this, it tends to shake investor confidence, and that could make things even more unpredictable in the days ahead. But this is where things get interesting. When people realize that their favorite crypto projects might be on the brink of crashing again, they'll often do whatever they can to try and prevent it. It makes sense. Fans and investors don't want to see their investments lose value, so they take action to support the market. And here we go. In a surprising turn of events, an unknown wallet originating from Coinbase has just burned 96 billion Shiba Inu tokens in a single transaction. As always, the Shiba Inu community-driven burn tracker, ShibaBurn, quickly noticed and highlighted this massive transaction in an X post today. This move spiked the Shiba Inu burn rate by a staggering 28,000%, which is an incredible jump. What's even more intriguing is that before this transaction, the wallet had been inactive for 154 days. Its last activity was recorded on March 28, 2024, before suddenly making this big burn. While the reason behind this burn is still unknown, considering the broader market situation, it could be a deliberate attempt to stabilize Shiba Inu's price and prevent it from crashing. Shiba Inu investors are tired of seeing the price drop repeatedly, and knowing the strength of the Shiba Inu community, this sudden move by a dormant wallet might be a strategic effort to support the price. After all, when a community is this passionate, even a long silent player could step in to help when things look uncertain. But will this effort work to stabilize the market? Only time will tell. But that's not the only big news from Shiba Inu today. It was just announced that a prominent crypto exchange, Kraken, has added Shiba Inu as a collateral asset for futures trading. In simple terms, this means that traders can now use Shiba Inu as a form of security to trade futures contracts on Kraken. This is a big deal because it shows that a major exchange recognizes Shiba Inu as a valuable asset. It's a bullish sign for Shiba Inu because getting support from a huge exchange like Kraken boosts its credibility and visibility. It could attract more investors and traders, which might help push the price up and add some stability to the market. This news has sparked excitement among Shiba Inu fans, including Shiba Inu's lead developer, Shytoshi Kusama. He responded to the announcement with a smiling face and a halo emoji, which suggests he sees this development as a positive step for Shiba Inu's future. Kusama's reaction indicates that he believes this move could have a long-term positive impact on Shiba Inu's performance, potentially boosting its visibility and demand. This is especially significant because Shiba Inu has been around for a while and has received support from various exchanges before. However, this latest development has drawn a direct response from Kusama, which adds a layer of importance and bullishness to the news. Right now, the entire crypto space is holding its breath, unsure of what will happen next. The Shiba Inu community, along with its lead developer, is working to make the most of this situation and prepare for whatever comes next. Everyone is watching closely, eager to see how these changes will unfold and affect the market. But what is your opinion on that? Comment down below. I'd be eager to read your opinion. If you are curious to find more, then make sure to click on one of the videos you see on the screen. And with that, we come to the end of this video. If you enjoyed the video, please like this video, and don't forget to leave a comment in the comment section. This really helps me with the YouTube algorithm. Also, please share this video with as many people as possible. Let's get this news out there.